we have noted with grave concern and disquiet that the prosecution witnesses PW2 and PW3 made no effort either to stop the appellant who was quarreling with the deceased, but rather let the appellant accompany the deceased to the room where the occurrence took place. Full stop. The prosecution witnesses did not even move a limb to protect their near and dear one, rather actively allowed the appellant to take the deceased inside the room of the occurrence. Full stop. It is vexing to imagine that in what circumstances the accused succeeded in taking the deceased inside the room where the occurrence took place in the presence of the prosecution witnesses. Full stop. It only proves that the deceased was at the mercy of the assailant and no one was there to save her. Full stop. New paragraph. The allowance of the prosecution witnesses speaks loudly that if the prosecution witnesses had been present, full stop, such behavior on the part of the witnesses runs counter to natural human conduct and behavior. Full stop. The prosecution witnesses kept watching the accused and did not interfere at all. Rather, as mentioned above, they actively allowed the taking of the deceased inside the room by the appellant. Full stop. We thus trust the existence of this fact by virtue of the Article 129 of the Kanun-e-Shahadat 1984 that the conduct of the witnesses as deposed by them was opposed to the common course of natural events, human conduct, and that the prosecution witnesses had not witnessed the occurrence and were not even present at the time of occurrence. Full stop. Resilience in this regard is placed on the cases of petitioner. Full stop. New paragraph. We have also noted that according to the prosecution witnesses, after the appellant had taken the deceased inside the room where the occurrence took place, he locked the door of the said room. Full stop. Therefore, the prosecution witnesses had to cut the lattices of the window of the said room and thereafter witnessed the incident. Full stop. In our presence, Saadat Hussain and my daughter went inside the room and we heard hue cry of Ikra Bibi and rushed towards room while door of the room was bolted from inside. Full stop. We did not try break open the door of room of occurrence after the occurrence. Full stop. Volunteered. It was bolted from inside. Full stop. The door of the room was made of wood. Full stop. The prosecution witnesses also claimed that they had cut the lattices of the window of the said room and thereafter entered the room through the said cut hole in the window. Full stop.